reported in your province, and in the last few weeks that number has multiplied drastically. Around 200 people in Manitoba have died of COVID-19 at this point. How does it feel different for doctors this fall compared to the spring?
Sunday morning, November 20th, November 22nd, it's snowing, and I'm off to get a couple groceries, and I've got the Fred, the iRobot, is cleaning at home, and I'm just gonna go get some groceries, as I said, and that'll be it. I just wanted to show you, I think this is our first snow of this season. Not really nice out. This snow, of course, won't stick, but anyway, that's what I'm up to today. Okay, so kind of a change of plan, or not plan, but the snow is sticking, and this is not good because I have to go to work in about 2 hours, and this just gets worse is basically what's going to happen. And even though I've got good tires on the car, it's just slide away, and I've got to slow down on the highway instead of going the usual 120 kilometers an hour on the 401. So I'm just leaving Tilbury and heading back home. As you can see, it's snowing and it's sticking. We've already had some snow plows out, but just a nice crappy Sunday morning. There we go. So shit. Oh well. Sunday, November the 22nd, I'm getting ready to go to work. It's 12:40 in the afternoon. We had a lot of snow, not a lot, but we had snow this morning, and it didn't stick here in Stony Point, but when I went to Tilbury, as I showed, the snow stuck there. So it's plus 2 degrees Celsius right now, so maybe that's why it's not sticking around. Looks like I'm having a trouble with my Roomba 614 robot vacuum. It's not keeping a charge long enough. Like when I come home, I mean, it should be docked. It should be finished its cycle, or whatever you want to call it, and go into its dock. However, I find it in the middle of the living room or wherever, and it's just done. So it's not going to its dock. When I put it in its dock, or push the button for it to go into its dock, it does start up and go there. And then checking the battery, it's on amber, which means that it's starting to charge or whatever. And then it does eventually, probably about half hour or so, say that it's completely charged, but I don't know what's going on. So tomorrow I'm gonna try and clean something try and clean the living room again with it. Just push the button, see how long it goes. I'm not going to leave the house. And we're going to see if it lasts a half hour or an hour and a half. And if it doesn't last, I'm just going to take it back to the store and see what Best Buy does with it. Monday, November the 23rd. I think the iRobot, the Roomba, is not at 100%. And I'm going to let it run, and I'm actually going to stay at home and watch it. I normally just let her go and I go out for a walk or something. But I've been finding it in the middle of the floor, the battery's dead, and but I'm not gone that long. So today I'm staying at home, and we're going to see what happens. So right now it's 10 to 9 in the morning. We're just going to let it go and see what happens. It looks like Fred is okay. He cleaned the apartment, and I had to push the dock button for him to go to the dock. I think what happened was on, I believe it was Friday night, we lost power here for several hours because someone hit a telephone pole. So I think that kind of screwed up his charging, and yeah, so I think that he wasn't charged up completely. So hopefully I'm going to watch this over the next couple of days, and hopefully I'll keep him.